Thanks for coming to my channel once again. If you don't know who I am, I'm Mrs. B and I love art and all things painting and creating. And so I come up with art lessons that you can do at home or in the classroom. And today I've tried to integrate a little bit of literacy, so some creative writing with some art. So it's always fun to meld some fun things together when it comes to teaching and learning. So today is a really cool task. I would consider it a bit of a starting point task, which means that I'm going to give you some fun, crazy, zany sort of situations that probably don't really make sense in our everyday world. And you're going to use that to then create a really fun writing piece, as well as a really awesome artwork, just like this one. I'm only going to show you quickly because I don't want to give it away. Okay, there you go. You'll have to watch ahead to see which crazy zany situation I choose out of the hat and how it looks when I create it into an artwork. What you'll need for this crazy wonderful task, firstly, is just a piece of white paper. Can be whatever size. Today I'm working on A4, but you can work bigger or even smaller if you want to. I've got a piece of coloured paper and I'm going to write a whole bunch of funny scenarios or suggestions on this paper. Then you need some drawing materials. I've got some textures here, different colours, even some bright highlighters. I've got some crayons. You can use whatever you want or whatever you have. If you prefer to work with watercolours, absolutely. If you prefer just to draw and not colour in, absolutely. This task is all about drawing creatively and using what you have. So gather up your drawing materials and let's get set up for this crazy, wacky, wonderful task. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is write down a whole bunch of really zany, funny suggestions for starting points for your drawing and your creative writing. So your teacher might actually choose to do this part. I'm going to write a whole bunch of really funny suggestions down in the description below. If you would like to borrow or get inspiration from some of the ones I've come up with, you totally can check that out. And while you're hunting for that, make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, because this really helps me out to create more videos that you can use in your classroom or at home. Now, the first thing to do is think of something that's a bit ridiculous. I guess I'm going to think of something that probably wouldn't actually happen in our real world. We want to think a little bit abstract and outside of the box a little bit, because the idea is to create a picture that doesn't make sense. All right, so I'm going to write a whole bunch of suggestions on my yellow paper. I don't know about you, but I'm sort of